Good day. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to discuss the concept of smart shopping trolley. Today's presentation will cover the background of smart shopping trolley, the design of the smart shopping trolley, how smart shopping trolley works, the advantages of smart shopping trolley to customers, the business opportunities and risks associated with smart shopping trolley, cost-benefit analysis, sensitivity analysis, conclusion, and recommendation. The smart shopping trolley have been introduced over a decade ago, and currently, several stores across the United States have adopted the technology and received positive outcomes from having smart shopping trolley in place at their stores. The smart shopping trolley is a modern wireless trolley. It was made to make customer shopping experience easy and enjoyable. It uses the typical shopping trolley unit, but with additional features. It makes use of an interactive LCD screen, which is incorporated to the shopping trolley arm. It also makes use of radio frequency identification reader, which is also incorporated in the trolley. As previously mentioned, the technology will make use of the typical shopping trolley. An LCD screen is placed on the arm hand of the trolley, which the customer can use to access information on the supermarket products. The trolley has a power supply attached to it that can charge all the hardwares that are battery operated. An RFID reader, which contains radio frequency modules, is also used. This system reads the code of the product scanned, and information about the products, such as price, will be displayed on the LCD screen. A billing unit for the customer convenience is also installed in the trolley. An infrared sensor is placed on both ends of the aisles to identify location of the cart. A unique RFID tag is used to identify products. How does it work? A customer enters the supermarket, grabs a trolley, and swipes his loyalty or membership card. The LCD display screen will automatically turn on, and options such as special deals for the day, shopping list, and in-store recipes will be displayed on the screen. When a customer enters an aisle, the infrared transmitter will collect location information and send it to the wireless network server. Then, the supermarket database sends the list of products from that aisle, and this will automatically appear on the LCD screen. Every time a customer scans a product on the RFID reader and places it in his trolley, a real-time running cost of products scanned will appear on the screen. Once the customer is done shopping, he can automatically pay on his trolley using his or her debit card through the billing unit installed. Upon exit on the supermarket server is then updated to reflect the remaining product stock available. The key idea of the smart shopping trolleys is to assist the customer in his supermarket shopping. Thus, the customer is expected to have a better shopping experience. The customer will never have to miss an item as he can easily make his shopping list on the LCD screen. The customer can do a price comparison of a particular product and search for recipes. The customer will also save time in the supermarket, as the LCD screen can help the customer locate products within the supermarket. And the customer can avoid the long payment lines, as he can directly pay by swiping his debit or credit card in the trolley's billing unit. The customer can see the real-time running total of the items inside the trolley, and this would notify the customer if he is already over budget. Yes, the smart shopping trolley could pose risks to the business owner. The trolley can be prone to theft, as some people might see this as an opportunity to steal and commit crime. The software installed might also experience system downtime at some point and might not be reliable to use. However, these risks can be managed. An alarm and sensor can be placed to avoid theft, and a system backup can be created to mitigate system downtime. The smart shopping trolley could also provide better opportunities in doing business. Could help improve marketing campaign. The LCD screen can be used for pop-up advertisements of new products, deals, and special offerings. The marketing team can also come up with unique marketing campaigns based on customer history. The business can also save on some costs, such that in the future, lesser human intervention will be needed, as fewer people will line up to pay to the cashier. Also, the business can save costs on printing receipts, as an email electronic receipt will be automatically sent to customer email address. The business will have a better inventory management with the help of the RFID. Real-time inventory will be sent to the database every time a customer checks out. This would allow the management to monitor stocks efficiently and effectively. The technology would involve changes in the four areas of business. Marketing. The team should come up with marketing ideas that would help advertise and promote products specific for each customer. Human resource. Training for the initial setup of the technology is needed, but in the long run, fewer cashiers will be needed as the customers can now pay directly on their card. Accounting and finance. Apart from financial management, the team will be responsible for credit verification and customer billing management. Production. With the technology installed, this will be a more accurate way to monitor stocks of every item. Thus, it is a more efficient way to inform suppliers if replenishment is needed. A cost-benefit analysis was done to weigh if the investment would be good for the company. The costs associated with Smart Shopping Trolley implementation are the purchase of hardware and software, maintenance and software update, and training of personnel. While the benefits of using the Smart Shopping Trolley are increased customer satisfaction, which could result to increase on sales, efficient inventory management, and savings on salary of personnel in the supermarket. The amounts in relation to this cost and benefit are reflected on the spreadsheet. Based on the financial analysis, the payback period from investing on this technology would be after 3.17 years. And provided that the discount rate is at 10%, the net present value of the investment amounts to 1.9 million. The internal rate of return is at 35% and profitability index of 2.44. These positive figures shows that it is highly beneficial to invest on the Smart Shopping Trolley. The benefits that the company will get from this investment would definitely exceed the costs. Uncertainties can happen in the future. Thus, the sensitivity analysis have been done. For scenario 1, it is assumed that the cost of a shopping trolley technology would significantly fall when every supermarket would start to use it. It is assumed that a 75% decrease in cost of a shopping trolley would happen. The financial analysis provided a good result with a shorter payback period of 2.79 years, a net present value of 2.6 million, a higher internal rate of return of 44%, and profitability index of 2.99. For scenario 2, it is assumed that the supermarket will not achieve improvements in its inventory management for the first 2 years, as the technology could experience system downtime and become unresponsive. With this scenario, the investment still poses a viable investment. The payback period is 4.26 years, NPV is 798,000, internal rate of return of 19%, profitability index of 1.60. For scenario 3, it is assumed that revenue would only increase by 0.5% for the reason that customers might not see the benefit of the shopping trolley technology. It will take time for them to adopt and adjust to new technology in place. The financial analysis still provided a positive result despite the low sales. But this time, the payback period is longer at 4.62 years. The NPV is 389,000, a lower internal rate of return at 15%, profitability index of 1.29. Despite the decrease in figures and longer payback period for scenarios 2 and 3, the investment would still provide a profitable return for the company, and this scenario still implies that the investment is viable. In conclusion, the smart shopping trolley will not only benefit the customers through saving their time and making their shopping experience pleasurable. The smart shopping trolley will highly benefit the business as it would make the supermarket operation easier and more productive. And also, the technology would yield positive returns for the business. Based on the overall financial analysis, the technology is a viable and a good long-term investment strategy. It is therefore recommended that a proposed budget for the smart shopping trolley on the pilot supermarket be approved. That ends my presentation. Thank you.